Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of Partiful. In order to do so, here we are at partiful.com. And the first thing that we want to take a look at here is that Partiful is an app that you can get on either Google Play and the App Store. What can you do with Partiful? You can plan events in seconds, the easiest way to get your guests on the same page. We have a variety of templates that we can use depending on what kind of an event you are having. Fun, modern invites in one click, 100% free, no paywalls, customize the perfect invite. So you can see here some examples for every occasion, every vibe, no more boring invitations. We have many different invitation examples here. So if you want to come up with a fun way to send an invitation, then you might want to take a look at Partiful. We're not like other invites. You can stalk the guest list, leave comments, reply to friends, and add reactions. Text blast your guest. Running late, need more drinks, 10 people texting you asking how to get in. Send updates to everyone at once. So that's really nice. Powerful features, easy events, find a time that works, get answers up front, let guests chip in, send invites on any platform. Get a shareable photo album. And here you can see a variety of reviews from people who have been happy with Partiful. So let's get the party started. Find us on any browser, iPhone, and Android. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.